Hello my friends, Alena is here again and let's go to continue with our project. So I call it Christmas folder. So actually because I don't have any plan how to do, so I try to fix that notebook, and I show you how I did on the other one. So for first I take that needle and I made first I measure 3 and 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 6, 9 and 12, and mark that, and then I make holes. 1, 2, 3, 4 holes. So, and I take that needle and thread that I prepare when I fix the first one, and then I will sew this here. But I want to tell, I sew one more line because when we closed this was too small to close this like that, and when we put everything inside it will be much better if it's one more line. So okay, that I explain, and now I will try to show you how I sew this one. I hope I will do right. So I fixed notebook with that basic, and now I take needle and put on this third hole, and I find place where I can put needle inside the basic. So let's go. Okay, it's there. That is easy, but harder will be that second, because I have to find some hole. Oh, I was lucky. Okay, can you see? Okay, so I am not in hole notes, so okay, still it's not very well. Okay, now it's right, and it's like that. Then I go back to this hole, which I start to do it, and next I will try where is this hole second. So I just looking for okay, so that, and now through all these notes, let's go. Fine, check if it's okay, and now the first one, it's easier to find some away. Oops. And I come back to third. Fine. So I don't need any more needle. I put away, and now I just tied this thread, and I help a little bit by myself with glue. Tie it again. Okay. 1 second and push, push, push. Okay. And now I just make bow. And I put on the edge some knob. Okay. So with that we are done. We can take off that office. Okay, so we have second here. Okay. Very nice. And now I want to do cover. So for cover, that is front from the paper was craft o'clock Christmas time, and I really love it, this part, so I take off. And because here is a little bit small place, so I think it will be very nice like that, but I want to have edge from rest of this paper, so pardon, I already did distress with ink around the edge. Now I put glue around. Glue like that. Sorry, I am still a little bit coffee after COVID. Okay, now I again take ink and I inked it white edge. Okay, and now I will glue it right here. Look nice. Okay. Also, this is very nice. So sometimes I have problem to cut the paper because both sides are very nice, but okay, I did. And I put this something like that. It's fine. Okay, I have to find to put some sign, but now what I want to do, I need place for put thread around. So on the middle I mark it's 16, so will be 8. And I take it this VR memory keepers tools and make hole. It's here. Okay, we do have hole. Now I have only gold, so doesn't matter. Okay. And I put that inside and tied that. Okay, it's fine. So now I just need some thread. Gold will be nice, but I don't have gold. And I have to make decision. What is that? Okay, maybe that red will be fine. So I take off that tape. And let's see what is that. So maybe I just do something like that. Go to and then just pull this through that loop. So, and it's nice, okay. So we can do something like that and opposite and tight this. Okay, for cover will be fine. Maybe a little bit trim that. So for this video, because when I want to put video on YouTube, it takes so long time, so we will continue on next video. Thank you very much to visit. I show you inside what we did. And of course we will continue. I have planned to put something here, and also something here. So I invite you for next video. Bye bye guys.